So without making further delays, I will hand over the mic to our resource persons. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Hello. Hello. So yesterday we had asked to give you an open house to speak on any topic. Is anyone willing?
अय्वादं शिरस्य यज्ञं ऋतुसेना तस्य चत्वारि वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्यायेषु
Taxonomy or Webb's DOK, dog theory heritage. So Bloom's taxonomy, that is the level of thinking, the pattern of thinking. How do we think? How does an average student think in molar level, below above average student that thinks in upper tree level, and we have to develop thinking this way, right? Ultimately, we have to take the child to create it.
Every participation will have a credit of 2 points. Every table will have a participation of credit of 2 points. Head, shoulder, knees, neck, arm, shoulder, head, tongue.
You really did a wonderful job, and the presentation which you did in the end, that was really very amazing, that you remember each and everything in a very sequential manner.